The legendary Land Cruiser name is back in a smaller, more affordable package, and it might be exactly what SUV enthusiasts have been waiting for. Meet the all-new 2027 Toyota Mini Land Cruiser FJ, a compact off-roader that combines classic Land Cruiser toughness with modern technology, everyday practicality, and an attractive price point. Toyota is aiming to bring true adventure capability to a wider audience, and this rugged little SUV is generating serious excitement around the world. At first glance, the Mini Land Cruiser FJ looks every bit like a member of the Land Cruiser family. The design is bold, boxy, and purpose-built, with strong lines and a rugged stance that immediately communicate off-road capability. The upright front fascia features a distinctive grille design, flanked by modern LED headlights that give the vehicle a confident appearance. Short overhangs, muscular wheel arches, and chunky all-terrain tires reinforce its adventurous personality. Despite its compact dimensions, the FJ looks tough and ready to tackle challenging terrain. Toyota has carefully balanced retro inspiration with modern styling cues. The squared off-profile pays tribute to classic Land Cruisers, while contemporary lighting elements, aerodynamic details, and fresh wheel designs keep the vehicle looking current. Roof rails, protective body cladding, and increased ground clearance further emphasize its outdoor-focused character. Whether parked in the city or exploring remote trails, the Mini Land Cruiser FJ stands out with a unique presence that blends heritage and innovation. Step inside, and you'll find an interior designed for both adventure and everyday comfort. The cabin features durable materials that can withstand active lifestyles while maintaining a modern and refined atmosphere. The dashboard layout is clean and functional, with physical controls for key functions alongside a large touchscreen infotainment system. Toyota's latest software provides seamless smartphone integration through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring drivers stay connected wherever their journey takes them. Comfort is another strong point of the Mini Land Cruiser FJ. Supportive seats provide excellent visibility thanks to the upright seating position, and the spacious cabin makes clever use of its compact footprint. Rear passengers benefit from generous headroom and legroom, while flexible cargo space allows owners to pack everything from gear to everyday groceries. Multiple storage compartments throughout the cabin add practicality, making the SUV a great choice for both weekend adventures and daily commuting. Under the hood, the 2027 Toyota Mini Land Cruiser FJ is expected to offer a range of efficient yet capable powertrains. Reports suggest Toyota could equip the SUV with a turbocharged four-cylinder engine, potentially paired with hybrid technology for improved fuel efficiency and enhanced low-speed torque. This combination would provide the power needed for off-road adventures while maintaining excellent efficiency for everyday driving. Off-road capability remains one of the vehicle's biggest highlights. Built with Toyota's extensive experience in rugged SUVs, the Mini Land Cruiser FJ is expected to feature an advanced four-wheel drive system, selectable terrain modes, hill descent control, and generous ground clearance. These features allow drivers to confidently navigate dirt roads, rocky trails, mud, and challenging weather conditions. Unlike many compact crossovers that merely look rugged, the FJ is designed to deliver genuine off-road performance. On paved roads, the SUV aims to provide a comfortable and refined driving experience. Improved suspension tuning, modern safety technologies, and responsive steering contribute to a confident ride. Toyota's latest driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring, help make every journey safer and more relaxing. As for pricing, industry expectations suggest the 2027 Toyota Mini Land Cruiser FJ could start somewhere around $30,000 to $35,000 in the United States, positioning it as an affordable entry point into Toyota's legendary off-road lineup. If those estimates prove accurate, the FJ could become one of the most desirable compact SUVs on the market. The 2027 Toyota Mini Land Cruiser FJ delivers a compelling combination of rugged styling, practical interior space, real off-road capability, modern technology, and attainable pricing. For drivers who want authentic adventure without stepping into a full-size SUV, this exciting new model could be one of Toyota's biggest success stories in years.